Stop flying blind. Deep dive account profiling isn't optional. It's mission critical. You need to map org charts, buying triggers, tech stacks, and the key personas inside each target account before you invest in campaigns. In-house teams grind through siloed CRMs and outdated lists. They miss real-time intent signals, technographic feeds, and in-depth people profiling. MarketingWorks fixes that. With MarketingWorks you get 1. Detailed org charts influence maps. 2. Live technographic and intent insights. 3. Persona people profiles, what drives each decision maker. 4. Tailored messaging guides and competitive context. Why MarketingWorks? We've profiled 50 plus of high-value accounts, complete with people and persona data, fueling ABM programs, demand generation activities, and account mapping that accelerate pipeline. Don't profile in the dark. Illuminate your pipeline with MarketingWorks. Book your profiling audit today.